Diversity and belonging is a part of Autodesk culture, in which all employees have equitable opportunities to grow, to succeed, and to contribute. It is essential because when people with different backgrounds, different cultures, different mentalities come together, they create a great workspace.
And one side of the diversity and inclusion that's really important is the customers, and the world that we're addressing is not just one race or one society or one country. It's really diverse and different. And it's those people who with different perspectives and different experiences would really be able to solve those problems. And then we can truly grow.
Being an immigrant, working for a company where I can bring my authentic self and be myself is really important to me. And Autodesk really is that company that helps me learn and grow as an individual based on who I am. Every day we get to bring our authentic selves to work, and we get to work with such a diverse team of individuals where we get to learn different cultures, different working styles.
We also have culture sprints that we've developed to drive inclusion. And within my own team, that culture shines through. We leverage diversity in our hiring, and we maximize the effectiveness of that diversity in how we run our business. That subject matter expertise is a strength. And inclusion means that everyone has a voice. Whether it's different than the neighbor's voice, everyone's voice is heard. And it's really powerful to be a leader in this organization, knowing that that culture is embedded in the Autodesk brand.